Today's power word is cutting edge. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. We can also add disruptive and groundbreaking. It means someone or something that's the latest or most advanced in a specific field of specialization, or a product or idea that radically changed the industry. Like a disruptive CEO with a vision. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. Cutting edge, disruptive, groundbreaking are mere describing words. Don't try to impress the recruiter with these words. They are no fools. So when you say you can deploy cutting-edge strategies, you're just telling the recruiter that you're empty and are trying to fool them into getting you in. In other words, you sound fake. See, what you wish to say is, you have the latest information on the way things are done, you're up to date with the latest trends or legislations, etc. And this skill of yours will help the company immensely. But how can you say all these things in your resume without being booted out? Use action words. What are some of the relevant action words? Introduced, devised, developed, formulated, worked out, etc. And then what do? You write about the instance when you changed the traditional way of doing something and applied a new process or practice which led to savings in the company. Then say what you did and what kind of savings did the company enjoy because of your action. And if possible, give the rupee value. But be careful not to divulge any confidential information. Let's look at how this could appear on your resume. Introduce the cutting-edge solid-state circuitry that reduced the cost of manufacturing by over 60%. Let's see how this statement is good. It's objective. Note the use of the figure 60%. And what's the specific information here? Use of solid-state circuitry. And what's the nature of benefit? Reduced the manufacturing cost. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.